and the insiders and the smart money bought exactly at our level that I told you guys. We're gonna see a big buying pressure around 0.93 here. I said it even in April, 5th of April here, guys. Even I did the drawing, boom, we exactly hit the 0.94 by the cent, guys, and we saw big buying pressure at the opening. Actually we sell off in the opening, and then we saw a lot of buying pressure, almost, guys, almost we got 10%. So now where we gonna be, the most important price that we gonna test, and we are already tested right now, where the price will go before the end of this week. Really important prices that we're gonna talk about in this video. But before we go in the video, as always, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification so you never miss any of my future update like this one. I said it in the 5th of April, so you'll be always notified daily update about the most important price value for Sundial. And as always told you guys, no BS, no editing at my channel, straight to the information, straight to the chart without bias. I'm just telling you the raw truth. So let's go right to it and see what's happened to Sundial. As I told you in a previous video here, guys, boom, at the 5th of April I told you guys to load up at this price. Congrats about the people actually load up on this price. I said it in the 5th of April. I told you guys to buy at this level. This is the perfect price. I load up at this price at 0.93 exactly. And guess what? Look with me, guys. Boom, look with me how the smart money waited and hunt for the right price. They don't buy here, they don't buy here, they don't buy here, but where they bought exactly at 0.93. And boom, let's see how much. 600k worth of volume, then the other candles 500. This total is 1 million, guys. This is how the smart money buy. They actually sell, and then boom, they just bought at this level, then they sell at actually at the resistance level. Now we actually can see still the market, we have almost we actually have almost 3 hours left, or 2 hours and a half to the market's finish. And guess what? Now the third hours, yeah, the fourth hour actually, or the 5th hour, we got a bit of rejection here. The price actually got rejected because we actually see a bit of rejection area about the $1. As I told you guys, we actually trading above the $1, we holding above the $1. This is really good, because usually when we actually go from the 0.90 cent or something to go to $1, this is psychological level, always we get test above the one area. Now we holding exactly at the $1, so we have a big rejection area here, guys, so be careful. We need now this exponential moving average. Actually we tested, we got rejection. We need at least another 500k or 400k volume to take us above this massive rejection area. And be careful, guys, because usually when we see a big jump down like this, is really hard to see a bounce back unless we see a big volume up to take us above the $1. But now we see a bit of struggling for Sundial to go above the $1. Usually when we go below the 0.90 or below the $1, and we should get bought back even above the $1, even at $1.06 or something, but we got a bit of rejection. This is really not good. As always told you guys, this is a psychological level. If we go below the $1, if we go below, let's say $2, if we go below the $2, let's say $1.50, $1.10, when we have the big buying pressure like this one and we hit just the $2, this is a big psychological level. That means we're gonna go below it. If we have the proven breakout, we go from $1.40, $1.30, then the smart money, the insider buy back, and they push the right price value above the $2, not just the $2 and we get rejected, but the $2.50, $2.40. This means we're gonna hold the above the $2, but now we still holding above exactly at $1 because we got a bit of rejection. Now if we don't want to go back again to 0.93, hopefully we don't need to see by tomorrow, we don't need to see a test again back to below the $1 or exactly at 0.93. This is to prove that we actually did the breakout, and we prove that the price here is actually been driven by the insiders and the smart money. How do we know exactly if we never actually test this, we go back again for this price? If we hold above let's say above the 0.96, if we hold above the 0.96 and we never go back and we see a candle actually go down, big volume candle, red candle here, this is a big indication that actually this big jump is a fake out and is not proving. We're gonna test this level, we go even below this level, but now until I can see now we holding above the $1. This is a perfect, this is good, because this is an healthy way to test here about the exponential moving average. By tomorrow we need a test for this level above the $1, and we need the candle to close above to justify the movement that we did in the beginning of this day. We need to prove that we actually not going back again. Just one candle, guys, we wait just one candle to prove that the momentum actually that we did, it actually will take us above the other resistance level above the $1.10. As I told you guys in the previous video, the moment that we actually tested here, and I told you if we have a candle closing here, I told you here, guys, in the previous videos, I told you if we have a candle closes before below the $1.10, big chance that we're gonna see the 0.93, and that's what we saw here. Now at the moment of truth, if we actually, as we can see here, you see the candle here want to go below the $1 again. As I told you, if we go below the 0.96 here, exactly below this green candle, this is a big warning sign, and that's we gonna test again the 0.93. If we hold here, that's good. If we don't hold and we go back again to 0.92, this is not good sign, guys. We'll go even lower. I will do update about the lower prices if we actually go at this level, and but at the meantime we're gonna hold. If we don't hold, we're gonna go even test the 0.93 again to bounce from it and consolidate here. If we just go below even to 0.91, there's a big chance that we're gonna see lower prices. I will do the update about the other prices if you want to buy it. But as I told you guys, we saw the bounce here is really perfect, and now we holding above the $1. As you can see, it's really the price is struggling to actually go above our exponential average. As I told you, we need a candle close here, guys. Really important. And always, guys, like define yourself as investors. Are you want to hold and you just investment for the future, and if you hold, just put this in your mind. If you hold and you never average down, or you average down always and like here and here, you'll be panicking every time and you lose hope about the stock, and you get emotionally attached to the stock, and you never actually have a common reason to do a good investment. So my point of view, my idea always, guys, buy at the right price value. Like I told you guys, You can do this actually perfectly if you don't have money, because a lot of my subscribers, a lot of my I got a lot of my in comments below, they told me what should I do? Should I sell? Should I buy? The idea is, if you actually invested in the company and you believe in, okay, there is a good strategy, like you actually could, as I'd say in the video, you could buy here at $1.10 because we were actually at $1.28. So you never buy any price unless I told you guys at the right price value you can buy at $1.10. And if you are actually an investor in the future, this is the strategy. If you have a money and you can average down and the way down every time, and the next average price you can average is at 0.93. As I said, guys, when we actually cross this level, you can buy here, not buy at any level, but you wait and buy here. This is the tricky part, that you have to be patient and wait the price to come to you. This is the most important thing you could take in your life. That's how trading actually give me some lesson, is actually can take it in my life as well. Be patient, and when you be patient, you always find the right price, and you can see clearly, and you take the right price and the right decision in everything. It's not just in trading. The other the thing like you can do if you don't have money, for a lot of people ask me, they actually drained. A lot of people said we can average down because we don't have money. So the other idea, like I always said, guys, when I told you, when the last time in the 1st of April, I told you if we have a closing candle below our support here at $1.10, you could actually sell the moment we actually have the sign that we have a closing candle here. You sell at $1.09. And I told you, the moment we got a closing candle here, there is a big chance that we're gonna go to 0.93. So it's a common sense. You sell here and you buy here, so you don't actually have to get like a loss of 14%. Then you average down. It's not good for you if you don't have money to average down a lot. You have to have, like, let's say if you have like 10,000 K and at 1,010 cents, if you wait and you want to average down when the price go to 0.94, you get like 40% loss, and 10,000 is 1,400, and when you average down at 0.94, it's like you need at least 5,000, 4,000 to the average to work out for you. If you have just 200, 500, doesn't do anything good for you. So this is a strategy work if you don't have a lot of money. You just sell here around the $1.09 and you bought everything. You save yourself 50% loss on your money, and you just bought at the perfect price at 0.93 as indicated in the videos before. So there's a lot of strategy. You can sell and buy lower, but be careful. When you sell, there is a big chance that you're gonna feel FOMO. Even, look with me, even you see this green candle, the small green candle here at 109, you thought like the price will go even to $2, but come on, like you're gonna buy here, then the price drop. So is this tricky because a lot of people can't hold themselves to sell and buy lower, because when the price go a bit higher, they just jump in and they never listen to the main strategy, and they never stick to their strategy, and they just be eluded and they get emotional and they buy even though you know the price value at 0.93, but you can't wait from the 1st of April until the 8th of April, like almost 1 week to hunt. That's why I told you guys, be patient and hunt for the right price value. So guys, if you like the video, like and subscribe to my channel. Daily video with the Trading Jesus always tell you, be patient and hunt for the right price value. So hit the notifications so you never miss any of my future update like this exact price that we predicted at the 5th of April. So guys, as I always say, be patient and let's hunt for the right price value. See you guys in the next video.